protesters broke barricades and shouted slogans against Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the Indian capital of New Delhi on Monday, after thousands of farmers gathered to protest against what they said were unfulfilled promises by the government. More than 8 months after farmers called off a year-long protest and the government conceded to several of their demands, more than 5,000 farmers gathered in the center of the capital to protest against Modi and his government. Farmers are demanding that the government guarantee a minimum support price for all produce and clear all farmer debts, among other things, according to a statement from the farmer organization that organized the protest on Monday. A spokesperson for the Federal Agriculture Ministry did not respond to a request for comment. Protesters wielded banners and flags and broke through barriers as they marched towards the venue, shouting slogans against Modi. Security around the borders of the national capital was tightened and police presence was heightened in and around the protest area.